Hi friends, my name is Aditya Kautekar and welcome to my YouTube channel Ocean of Code. So today in this program we are going to see how to write a code for binary search. So first of all, the time complexity of the program which we are going to write is big O of log n. Alright, so let us start. It is going to return the index of the element which we are going to search. Binary search. It is going to take input, two parameters it is going to accept. The first one is array of integers. Okay, let us say it as arr, and the next one is target, which we want to search. First of all, let us check if that input array is null or not. Now we are going to define lefts and rights. As we know, binary search, we need left and right variables. Okay, left will be 0 and right will be the last element, which is nothing but array dot length minus 1. Let us start the while loop. Integer mid. We also need a middle element. Okay, now we have defined the middle element. Then we are starting our algorithm. So first of all, array of mid is equals target. Then return mid. So mid is nothing but the index. Else if array of mid is lesser than the target, then we need to change the left, which is going to be mid plus 1 in that case, and the last condition else block. So this else is nothing but array of mid is greater than target. Okay, all right, here we need to change the right, mid minus 1. So this is while, and if it is not returning anything from this while, means element is not there, so we can return minus 1. So when we are returning minus 1, then it might be like either it is null or the element is not found. We can conclude like that. So that's it, guys. The code is done. Now let us quickly verify. Let us say integer of array new int. Let me do. And again, one more thing. The given input array must be always sorted. Okay, for binary search. Okay, let us take this as input and system.out.println binary search. Here we're going to pass, and the target, let us say 6. Now we should get the output as 1. Okay, index of the 6 is 1. Let us check, and we are getting 1 as the output, which is correct. Now let us test for last element 9, and again we are getting 3, which is also correct. 0 1 2 3. Okay, we are getting 3. All right, let us check for the element which is not present. Let us say 11. Now we should get minus 1 ideally, and yes, we are getting minus 1. Perfect. So it is working fine. Let us check the last condition. Let us put it as null. We should get minus 1, and we are still getting minus 1. Perfect. So we have covered all the corner cases. All right, guys. So you can also find this program on the GitHub. I'm sharing the GitHub link of this program. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.